the related documents carefully before investing. Here is the Nifty daily chart taken from our website. It is very important to understand Nifty's price volume action to have a view on the market and also have a short-term view of a week or so. Understanding price volume action gives such a view. And you can see here Nifty has been trading at new all-time highs. It has been consistently scaling new all-time highs. So yesterday, that is on Friday's session, we have seen Nifty closing about 24,500 level for the first time, which is a very positive sign. But only one thing that is slightly of concern is lower volumes. This is one kind of concern. That is, whenever Nifty is making new highs, the volumes should be, or we would like to see higher volumes, but that is lacking in the current market rally. But when the volume picks up, there will be definitely constructive breakouts which will be happening, and also the rally will be still on continuing. But whenever the volume has come down and Nifty making new highs, we might see Nifty peaking or make coming down off low off highs certain. Coming to the market status, we are in confirmed uptrend with a distribution day count of 2. We have seen 2 distribution days when after market status changing to confirmed uptrend. Distribution days are very critical and very helpful for us to track weakness in the market. Whenever market is in confirmed uptrend or under pressure, it is very important to track weakness in the market because we never know when the market is going to top out. So distribution days will help us to identify the near top in the market. Going forward, if the distribution day count increases to further 4 or 5, and if the Nifty breaches its key moving averages 21 DMA and 50 DMA, we might change the market status to under pressure. Coming to the model portfolio, we have added a good number of stocks to portfolio. Recently, we have added 2 kind of lists we have started using. One is for the growth list, and other is a long-term list. We have explicitly telling the customers or the users about a stock when it's being added to portfolio, whether it is for long-term view or whether it is for growth list. Earnings season has started for the June quarter, starting with IT companies. TCS has reported very good set of numbers, and that is being followed by HCL Tech as well. Results came above consensus estimates. Revenue for the quarter grew 6.7% year-on-year basis to 28,000 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side has seen a sharp increase of more than 20% to 4,200 crores of rupees. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited has been in the news for, majorly for receiving projects from the railways. Recently, it has received a project worth of 132 crores of rupees from Central Railways. Avenue Supermarts, that is a Dmart chain aggregator, has reported their numbers for the quarter. Revenue has grown 18% to 14,000 crores of rupees. Profit has also increased in line with growth of 17% to 773 crores of rupees. GET&D wins an order worth of 490 crores of rupees from Powergrid. This is to supply and installation, testing, commissioning, and maintenance of few control centers of the company. Today, in the today's trading session, we are looking at companies such as HDFC, AMC, HDFC Life, and Geo Financial Services, among other companies which will be reporting their numbers in the today's session. These are the few companies which belong to large cap or medium cap, but there are other small cap stocks also which will be reporting their numbers. As the week progresses, we will see lots of companies starting to announce the numbers, especially from the Nifty 50 and Nifty Mid Cap, which have good weightage in the index and also which will dictate the market going forward as well. On the Friday's night, we have seen good positive closing on the US markets. 3 major indices which we track, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, have closed higher in the range of 0.5 to 0.6%. Nikkei is having a trading holiday today, but whereas if you look at Kospi and Shanghai, they are trading with a flat, almost flat note, but Kospi is trading with a negative bias, whereas Shanghai is trading with a positive bias. GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted opening for the index. Around 100-point higher opening is not a major gap up or gap down for the index because the absolute value of the index has been at 24,000 levels. So on the percentage terms, if you look at 100 points and it's very less, it's less than 0.4%. So that is not a major action. But as the session progresses, if the earnings also come out good, likewise yesterday or previous session, we have seen Nifty IT doing very good because of TCS results that has set the tone for the IT stocks. HCL also reported similar numbers, so we are going to see good action on the IT stocks today's session as well. If the similar action happens from other sectors as well, we will see the rally continuing going forward as well. For the chart of the day, we picked 5 industries. Our clear disclaimer is we are not advising to add it at the current moment. Our motive is to just study this stock from the O'Neill's perspective. Currently, it is just 1% to the pivot. It is trading in the handle portion of the up with handle base pattern. And the stage count is also 4, which is slightly higher according to our methodology. EPS has been very good at 92 because of a good set of earnings. RS rating has taken a slight hit because of slight underperformance of the stock when compared to the overall universe of stocks. Number of funds has seen a dip in the recent quarter, which is not a positive sign. We would like to see increasing in numbers of number of funds invested in the company. We would like to see this stock breaking out on higher volumes, but stage count is also higher. Number of funds have also been declining. RS rating has also been poor. So there are more than a couple of reasons to avoid this stock at the moment. But if the earnings come out good and if the stock forms another base pattern and if the RS improves, then it will come under radar. Until then, it's better to wait for stocks like these. Thank you for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.